home now, just pulled out of the garage, filled up to the top, and I'm on my way to, what camp is it? Camp Bushcraft in Edale, up in the Peak District there. I didn't know about it. I got an email yesterday or the day before saying, am I going? So, young, free and single. So I said, yep, I'm on my way.
Phenomenal. This is the view from my awning. Partly windy, drafty. Right, this is the view. Sat in my awning, I'm going to enjoy having breakfast looking at that. Just incredible. I ain't going to enjoy the music all bloody night though. Oh, you can zoom in that far. Yeah. Now my heartbeat's showing. There's all these nice little cottages out here, look at that. Right. And their bedroom window looking at us bloody lot. Oh, there's one right up there. I can't find it now. It's there somewhere. There it is. That's my heartbeat, that is. Because I'm zoomed in so bloody close. Stabilisation doesn't take over then, does it? And then you got that. Throw my ball.
Trying to shade this from the wind, but I don't know whether I'm succeeding. But on our walk to try and find a pub. I'm not going to try very hard, but just look at that. Here's a campsite. There must be, what, 60 on there. It's the bushcraft. The bushcraft. I don't know, shindiggy, I was just invited by that. Which haven't turned up. Sharon's there. Oh. So, now there's people coming, so I'll put it away. Oh, little lambs, eh? See those little lambs? Okay. See those little lambs? Say hello. Well, Spotty seems to know her way to the pub. Not that you'd want to be in a pub with this view. And it's alright now whilst the sun's out, but they're forecasting a lot of rain over the next 3 days. It's Whitsun Bank Holiday weekend. And today is Friday. I was up here yesterday. Today is Friday. And the sun is beautiful. Didn't come up very early though. safety belt and pull. Got it. Come on in. Crow. There's a lot of ravens and crows down here. Just walking back. Never camera with me. If I had a phone, I could have filmed it on that. But this bloody field was covered in rabbits with the lambs. The lambs were chasing them. Comical. Oh, look at that face up there. What face? And they were liming this field. Dust was horrendous. I don't know whether this campsite, I mean there's no electrics or nothing, there's toilets and showers, but I don't know whether they're open to the public all the time or not, I don't know. I expect somebody will be able to tell me in the comments as normal. The driveway goes on up here, but if you carry on up there, it says private, no rights of way, and you'd miss it. There's a little footpath down here. Oh, Scott didn't know that. She came down here yesterday, no problem. And now we go into the trees. I mean, it is literally, what, a quarter of a mile walk to the pub. Well, I do that to go to the pub at home. I wouldn't want to come up here when it's wet. That'll be slippy. Oh, good girl. That's it. Run off in front of me. Alright, through this one. Look, it says private. What? This one? What? Come on. Come on, go through this gate. Come on. That's it. Good girl. Here we go. I don't know whether you can see it. I just put my hand in front of there. We're walking down the bank to the river. I don't know what the brook's called. It's pretty. She hasn't crawled one off yet. We're nearly at the pub. Look here. Oh, this is where I dropped the phone in the river, is it? In the river. And it's not in its waterproof housing. Nice little narrow bridge. Little footbridge. Yeah. Another pea. Look at those. Oh, less traffic. Sounds like there's a lot in the pub. Ain't that beautiful, eh? I don't want to live there though. I'd like to have a drive. Come on, buggerers. Number 3. Get down. Topped off with that.
Well, that's what we're
On a chip score, I give that 5. They're okay, but not many eyes.